disagree. Travel the world and the seven seas. Everybody's looking for something. Sweet dreams are made of these. Who am I to disagree? Travel the world and the seven seas. Everybody's looking for something. Sweet dreams, 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 sweet dreams. Windows down on my
Eloise, life is a journey. Make the best of it. Pursue your dreams and life accomplishment. There may be a tough times ahead, but if you set your mind and dedicate your time, anything is possible for you.
We are free. Can you
Happy birthday to our beloved Eloise Ganda-Ganda. Okay. So, ngayon, dalaga ka na. Kung ano man yung plano mo sa buhay, andito lang kami para suportahan ka.
This is when the moments turn to memories, and this is when the future gets so clear to see.
As you turn 18, I hope you feel how loved you are. You deserve the best, real happiness, real peace, and real people who value you.
Madalas kong tawagin si Eloise na Koreana. Parang Koreana yun, singkit. Again, happy birthday, Koreana.
Good luck ka sa college journey mo since college journey na yan. Tapos 18 ka na, syempre mag-iiba na yung experience. Tapos makakilala ka na ng iba't ibang klase ng tao.
Happy 18th birthday, Eloise! Enjoy your day. Mag-aral ka ng mabuti at sana matupad mo ang mga pangarap mo sa buhay. And God bless.
Sana mas marami ka pang unforgettable memories with your friends and with us. So happy birthday!
This is when the moments turn to memories, and this is when the future gets so clear to see, and this is when tonight becomes a masterpiece, and this is when the moments turn to memories, memories.
Thank you for being such an amazing friend, and kahit na magkakaiba na tayong universities ng college, sana mag-stay pa rin yung friendship natin. Gaya ng sabi ng iba, I hope that you reach all of your dreams and that the Almighty God will grant all of your wishes you have been praying for.
Learning to be grateful for myself. You have my lips 'cause they say that things we've always been afraid of, I can feel inside it to subside. Learning to believe in what is mine. I wanna love you the way that you love me. Ooh, for all of my pretty and all of my ugly too. I love to see me from your point of view. I wanna trust me the way that you trust me. Ooh, 'cause nobody ever loved me like you do. I love to see me from your point of view.
Nasaksihan ko bawat yugto ng iyong buhay. Ang una mong hakbang sa paaralan ngayon, nasa senior high ka na. Nakita ko kung paano kung mabait at masunurin. Mahal na mahal kita, Eloise.
May that bright smile on your eyes never fade. And on behalf of all Montessorians who haven't able to attend, we all wish you a happy birthday.
From Kuya and Papa, happy birthday.